Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the beach. Yeah, today we have an unexpected day at the beach and we decided pretty late the day that we like to go surf fishing, and yeah, let's see if we can catch something. First cast. And we are here at Freeport, Texas at the beach. We tried San Luis Pass, but it was pretty packed, so we thought we'd come here. At the moment we have low tide with an incoming tide coming soon. There was something, but I missed it. I was looking around and checking the area for birds, and then there was a bite, and I was too late. But nevertheless, try again. At least we know there's something out there. But let's hope it's not a catfish, because I hate catfish. I don't know about you, but I just don't like them. I'm happy with a good old whiting or flounder. Last time we caught a flounder, that was fun. But I always have the feeling when I switch on the camera, the fish are gone. I also think I lost my bait. I'm pretty sure the fish bite stayed on, but these frozen shrimps, see, they're gone. But the fish bites still on. So I decided to put some Paprika on my shrimpies over there. Maybe I have more luck with this stuff. Let's try. Still nothing going on, and I think that we will switch places. And just as I said, we want to switch places. First fish of the day. So no updates at the moment for you guys. And I think I will put the camera away for a moment and see what happened. I have a surprise! We caught another one, and they're getting bigger. Isn't that awesome? This is another whiting, and he's not happy. Get the hook out. Here he is. I mean, I think he's pretty good. So join your friend. And thank you so much for biting. You think there's another one out there who likes to bite? So we did it again. These fish are really camera shy, as I told you. So he will also also join his friends in the bubble bath. So I think we have to call it a day. It started raining and you can already hear and see thunder over there. But one more thing I like to show you. Here are our 3 whitings. Welcome back to the kitchen, everyone. We are back home and we only brought the 2 big ones home. We decided to let the small one go. So the only thing left to do now is to clean them and to cook them. And here are now our 4 beautiful whiting fillets. Alright, I have some unsalted butter in the pan. Fillets. And I use garlic powder, black pepper, some paprika, and some crushed red pepper flakes. Maybe only on 2. I don't know if the other ones like it's so spicy. And this doesn't take long. The other side. Whoops, too much. And here they are, beautiful whiting fillets. Let's try them. Really good, you are. If you never tried whiting, you definitely should. Or maybe not. More for me, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you next time.